3D printing in concrete, Tufts engineering DEI initiatives, and more in this episode of Exploration into Technology.
Welcome to Exploration into Technology. This week in engineering, new research shows that patterns inspired by lobster shells can make 3D printed concrete stronger to support more complex and more creative architectural structures. A senior lecturer in the Civil and Infrastructure Engineering Department of Melbourne's RMIT University, Jonathan Tran, and his team have developed a method for printing in concrete that will make the material stronger than it's ever been. To make 3D printing as strong as a lobster's shell, they borrowed from both the architecture and the makeup of a lobster's exterior. The result is a bio-inspired concrete that's 1.5 times stronger than the traditional stuff, and it breaks better. The fracture surface of bio-inspired concrete is twisted in a different direction. It doesn't go straight from top to bottom. Because a crack has to travel a longer path to complete the failure, more energy is needed to break bio-inspired concrete. The patterns used by the printer and the tiny steel fibers in the concrete it prints may someday make stronger structures on this planet and beyond.
Colleges and universities across the United States have been working hard to encourage diversity, equity, and inclusion in STEM. After the events of summer 2020, Tufts School of Engineering began an in-depth reevaluation of itself. The reevaluation laid bare just how exclusion and lack of diversity remained a huge problem. By the fall of 2020, the school had a multi-year action plan developed under the leadership of Chris Swan, Associate Professor and Dean of Undergraduate Education, to combat racism and other forms of discrimination. In the past few months, a diversity coordinator has been hired to support the mechanical engineering and computer science departments in developing and implementing DEI efforts in those areas. The plan is to extend that effort to the other 4 departments in the engineering school. The biannual DEI Colloquium lecture series also kicked off last fall. In addition, the school is looking at trainings for students and faculty, as well as seminars and other ways to bring awareness and encourage solutions to DEI issues in all of its undergraduate and graduate programs.
Enduring challenges remain across the workforce, and the way we work is changing. That's why ASME is excited to announce up to 60% off our entire catalog of virtual classroom courses. ASME Learning and Development offers digital learning options that are consistently evolving to equip today's engineers with the most trusted training available. We're here to reduce the skills gap and build lifelong relationships with our learners. Reinvent your skill set and realign your knowledge base to meet the demands of an evolving job market with training you can trust. We're also offering 10% off our entire on-demand e-learning catalog, including courses in manufacturing, bolting, welding, and more. Today's job market is in a constant state of change with challenges arising each day. Renew your knowledge now to open a new chapter in your career.
That's it for this episode. Thank you for watching. Now please remember to click that subscribe button and we'll see you next time.